CoasterLoner, back at Silverwood, vlog number 2. It is the 4th of July weekend, 2021. Good news, guys. Aftershock is running. I can see the tower from here. I already saw a train drop. Hell yeah. Well, I got 2 rides on Aftershock. That drop is so sick. The right side is definitely more smooth than the left side. The left side is pretty gnarly on the Cobra roll coming back through. Hell yeah. What's up, dogs? CoasterLoner here. Silverwood trip number 2, day number 2, 4th of July. Here we go. It's me, CoasterLoner. Heading home today, no rides. Here's an update. Yesterday the 4th, got 10 rides on Stunt Pilot, got 4 rides on Aftershock, hit up the log flume, hit up the water slides. Pretty successful day overall. Fun was had. Fireworks, 4th of July. Too much beer. Today I thought I'd take a pit stop and check out the headquarters of Rocky Mountain Construction. The headquarters for Rocky Mountain Construction is located just a few miles south of Silverwood. So on my way home, I thought I'd stop and check it out. Well, today is the day after 4th of July. I wasn't sure what to expect. Looks like they're shut down today. I was hoping maybe I could get some merch or something. It's pretty cool. You can see some track or something. Well, this is where all the magic happens, guys. We've got this building over here. We've got that yard. This is probably where all the manufacturing goes. Alright guys, I got a long ride home. I'm hungover. Until next time, CoasterLoner signing out.